Hello. Let's go. Hi guys. Cooking time. Come. Aika. Hi baby. Yep. Magluluto ako ng soup. Tofu soup. Tatapos na ng trabaho. Ayan. See? Ayan. Aika, istorbo ikaw. Aika. Kulit. So, I'm saving the head para magawa ng soup base, pati yung mga balat niya. Aika! Ay, ang kulit ng ibon. My God, you're so makulit. Aika. Wala mo na maliligo, Aika. Please. No. Stay there. Ay. You wanna take a bath? You too? Please. No! No, take a bath. Later. I'm still cooking. I'm gonna prepare my ingredients, guys. Ay, ang kulit nyo yung dalawa. Yan, makulit talaga silang dalawa. Gusto na nila maligo sa sink. My God. Ay, Bella, later, okay? Please? Let me finish this one, okay? And then you can take a bath later on, okay? Yeah. You too, Bella. You too, Aika. Kulit. Ang kulit nyo. Ang kukulit nyo. Thank you, Bella. Aika, no? Aika, no. Right? No. Come here. Come up, 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 up. Come. Ay, nako. Ang kulit. Ganito sila. Pag may ginagawa ako, ay, naku, makulit sila. Let me clean the shrimp. Hala, no! Ang kulit mo, ah. Aika? Aika? Paano na ako makatrabaho? Nandiyan ka na sa kamay ko. Ha? Naku. Please, Aika. Please, please, please. I have 2 more. Oh, shh. Ayan siya, oh. Ganyan silang dalawa. Makulit, no? Pero si Bella, hindi masyado makulit. Mabait si Bella. Hi, Bella. Itong isa ang sobra. As in. Yeah, ikaw. Yes, I'm talking to you. I'm talking about you. Ay. You know what? I gave you food over there. Why don't you eat your food, huh? Yeah? Sumasagot ka pa. Sumasagot pa si Aika. Ayaw mo? Bakit? Ayaw mo? Bakit? Eh, nagluluto ako, oh. Saan-saan kayo pumupunta? Dumadapo. Ikulong ko kaya kayo? Gusto nyo? Gusto niyo makulong? Yep. I know, baby. Wait. Lagyan natin ng patis. Aika. Aika. Okay. Come on, up. Let's go. Say hi. I will wash my hand. Oh, let me wash my hand first. Then we'll wait. Okay? Yeah. We'll wait. Let me wash my hand. Hi, Bella. You want to take a bath now? Yes? Okay, come on. Take a bath. Come. Oh. Ay, nako. Ito nila maligo. Okay. Let me clean first. Yeah. Come on. Okay, come. Okay, come on. Oh, come on. Want to take a bath? Masyado mainit. Okay, come on. Come. Okay, bath na, bath. Okay now, bath now. Makulit kayo. Make it fast. I need to do something. How about you? Want to take a bath too? No? You want in the bowl, right? Yeah, okay. Later. Let me put some salt here. Put it in. Paano na magluto? Ha? Ano? About you. Come on. Up here. Up. Ayan. How can we cook now, huh? How? Hmm? Trying to cook here, and somebody is bothering me. Someone is bothering me. These two birds are bothering me all the time. Yeah? Why you said yes? How long you gonna stay there, Bella? Oh my God. Ganyan po sila. Pag gusto nilang maligo gamit Mount Sink, wala tayong magagawa kundi mag-antay hanggang matapos sila. Yeah? I stay away there. I'm cooking. Come on, up up. Come on, up up. Ay, up up. Up up. Ay, up up. Shoot. Come on. Stay here. Yeah. Talaga ba? God. It's to work. I know. Yay, done! Finally! Good job. How about you? You wanna go? Take a bath? Go. Bath time. No? After you are. Again? Bath time again? Done? You're done. You're done, right? Okay, you're done? Ay, nako. Ay. Yes? Hey! Stay right there! My God! Ay! No. Come here. Apa. Ay, naku. Delikado kayo. Let's go. Go inside first. Come on. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Bella, come. Come on, Bella. Let's go. Let's go, Bella. Come on, let's go. Pasok muna kayo sa kulungan at baka kayo'y maluto. Go. Ay, ayaw. Let's go, baby. Let's go, come. Ayaw nila. Up. Yeah, stay there. Come on, Bella. Let's go. Ayan, ayaw nila eh. Oh. Come on, Bella, let's go. Thank you. At baka kayo maluto. Nagluluto ako. Ay, nako. Ayan ang luto ko. Shrimp. Tofu soup po ang luto ko. Tofu soup. Nandiyan ka muna. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Kukulit na naman yan. Kulit na naman. Kulit na naman. Yes, baby. You wait. Ay, nako. May makulit. Yan. Ang aking mga luto. Kita nyo? Tingnan. Nagawa ako ng tofu soup. Tofu. Yes. Sabay na muna.